Hello students. Now Purva from 7th B will tell you the summary of what is your water footprint.
Chapter 3. What is your water footprint? How much water does it cost to make a product? Will calculating this cost to the corporate water footprint? Corporate means a business firm. Help make businesses more water sustainable. Judicious use of this resource is imperative, but unless one knows how much water is being used, judicious means careful and sensible, and imperative means very important and needing immediate attention or action. A water footprint helps one understand the amount of water being used at an individual level, all the way to a national level, and in the numerous processes involved in manufacturing and producing our goods and services. Manufacturing means making good in large quantity.
Now this summary will continue by Aditi Kumari from 7th class. This is the part 2nd.
Chapter 3. What is your water footprint? A water footprint helps one understand the amount of water being used at an individual level all the way to a national level, and in numerous processes involved in manufacturing and producing our goods and services. This means a water footprint helps us to understand the amount of water used by a separate level all the way to a national level, and in numerous processes involved in manufacturing. The manufacturing means making goods in large quantities, and producing. The producing means to make our goods and services. The next paragraph. An accurate water footprint also takes into the account the amount of water contaminated. The contaminated means the pollutants or the dirty particles present in water. During the manufacturing and the production process, this tool gives a solid water accounting frameworks and aids us all in our efforts to be more efficient and conservative with our water uses. The water footprint of an individual is the amount of water he/she uses in and around his/her home, school, or offices throughout the day. This means the water used by a separate person in a day in her offices, schools, home throughout the day. It includes the water used directly, like that from a tap, as well as the water used indirectly, like the water utilized to produce the food one eats and products he/she buys, energy he/she consumes, and even water he/she saves. This means the directly water from the tap we get, and indirectly we utilize the water to produce foods one eats, and the products he/she buys, the energy he/she consumes, and even the water